breakfast sandwich at Buc-ee's.
Fitzgerald. Got fresh shock mounts. Everybody's looking good. We're gonna get under here and look at some, take a little look, see some oil. All right.
Well, we made it, but dumb me was standing in line there. We were parked in line and there's a racer's entrance and we were just sitting there like an idiot. And so that's my fault. But we're here. It's going to be a warm day, I think.
This is purgatory.
Yeah.
Pretty sure this is purgatory.
No, that'll be at work, right? It's your job is purgatory. It's still better than work, isn't it?
Right.
Yeah. So we're going to get set up, and I think this will be the first time we actually put up the canopy, I think. Made it. We made it. Got to change the gears and the tires on the Fairlane and see if I can see where that oil leak's coming from. Otherwise, I think I'm okay. I'm ready to go other than that. So, here we go.
So we're just talking about throwing that rear end away.
Oh, if you're doing wheelies, you better throw that rear end away. Put it on this.
I'll be surprised.
Getting rid of our
Race
the street.
the street.
Deja vu all over again.
Dennis has still got to run today. What are you into, Mr. Heston?
I'm gonna check valves.
Right.
Hot.
Not bad. Here. Need some gloves. Is that 3.9?
Yes, he's 640.
It was fun. I just had to come over and say
It
thanks,
was a
man.
lot
That
of
was
fun,
fun.
man.
I'm like, man, we're hitting them right together, man. That's cool.
That was cool. That was cool.
And I like the fact that both of ours jump around a little bit. You know, those that stay straight go, like that. Yeah, that ain't driving.
Yeah, that was fun.
Y'all take care. Good luck. Be safe.
Good times.
All right, we got one that's a little loose.
You can't tell until you really get into them, and then put a feeler gauge on it. But that one kind of feels a little loose. They won't all be in that position. You have to check them at a certain point during the cam. Like, you can't just check them, because if they're on the lobe, on the lift, they will have none. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you got to check it when it's down on the base circle. I got to take this girdle off to even get to this. Kind of keeps them. This keeps them, like, the top of the studs from flexing too much. It's kind of a pain in the arse, but it's kind of a necessity. Yeah, it's hot. tools for freaking retainer rings fall off of them. Hot stuff. That's definitely. Exhaust opening.
Hold the camera, hold the wrench.
Hold my wrench.
That's what it's all about. Everybody around here multitasking.
That's so badass.
Chance, you
That's
snuck
right.
up on us. What the hell? What the hell did you bring us?
badass.
What is
Look at
this?
dude.
Hell yeah, dude. Man, that is awesome.
Bam. Check that out.
That's fine. You're
yeah,
fine,
get
buddy.
in the picture.
Oh, yeah,
Stay
get
in the
the picture
picture.
with
Get
Dad,
over
man.
here, bro. Come on now.
Get the picture.
Come on now.
That's awesome, man.
Look at
That
that.
is awesome, dude.
Dude, that is so cool. That is so freaking
He saves
cool.
our butt and then
I know.
goes and does
And
this.
then makes us something badass.
Something hanging in the shop for you.
Hell
It's
yeah.
definitely going up in the shop for sure, man.
Dude, that is awesome.
You know what's going to happen. Now you're just going to make the other 5 guys jealous because they're all going to want one.
Exactly.
Hey, us rednecks are pretty good
That's what
guys.
you do. You just
Yeah.
take a lottery pick. Yep.
And somebody can claim it for 30 days.
No, we'll just have to get his
Hey,
information and
yeah,
just
just get
order
us-
5 more
get-
of them.
get a
from him
price.
and have them send them to us. So,
That is
hell
awesome.
yeah, dude. That is so
Oh,
cool.
man, pretty cool dude.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, brother.
Thank you.
Like I said, hey, y'all good to me.
That was
He's
so
good
cool.
to us, man.
That was so cool. This is what it's all about.
Yes,
That's
sir.
what it's all about,
Yes,
dude.
150%.
For sure.
I hope you like it.
Yeah. This is
Hell yeah.
this made this whole trip worthwhile,
Get
bud.
along.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Whole trip worthwhile.
It's raw, so it will rust.
of course.
Paint it or whatever. If you
We
want
we
to
kind
leave it rust.
of like that.
I mean, I like rust
we
too.
kind of like that style. Man. Yeah, so that's right up our alley.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Rust is lighter than carbon fiber.
That's awesome.
Yeah, bro.
That is super cool. Now I gotta find a spot. Where are we gonna hold?
Scott's truck.
Yes. Yep.
Won't get hurt over there.
It's gonna go in Scott's truck because that way it won't get messed up.
There you
So,
go.
All right. I'm gonna take it over there and find a spot for it right now.
Come on. All right, boys.
keep
I'll
it
let you get
safe.
back to it.
Hey, it's Mike from the BucketList Mob. If you're like me and you've gone through something significant in your life and it changed the way you think about life, pick up one of our shirts. It's our motto. It's the whole reason why we started this. It's we only have so many days left in our existence on this planet, and there are 7 days in a week. Someday isn't one of them is our motto, meaning do those things now. Don't wait, because you don't always have tomorrow. That's our motto. That's on our merch. And if you feel the same way, go ahead and pick some up for us. That would really help us out. Subscribe, like our videos. That helps us keep doing what we're doing. Thanks.